Contestant number 5, Daniel Gorospe.
When it comes to love, I only have one thing in mind, and this has been my belief for the last few years. Love is sharing. It should go outside of you. It should go outward of the person. And it can only mean that if you are in love, you are sharing, then this is pure. It cannot be selfish. It cannot be selfish and with an agenda. For example, two couples. These two couples barely know each other. Perhaps they know each other for a month out of work. However, how do they know about the qualities of person? You cannot know the qualities of person 100%. You don't even know your mom that much. Probably you know her 95%. So it has to be on the lover to make sure that he or she shares. It cannot depend on the other person. We'll have to find out who this person is. So it beckons that the lover should be sharing his whole life. No secrets, no skeletons in the closet. Otherwise, this would damage the relationship. And the same thing for father and son relationship, or sibling to sibling. It has to be pure as well. There's no selfishness, there's no agenda, there's no competition. And to ensure that there is peace in the family, there's peace in the community, and this is what I believe in.